Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you a really simple way that you can create a QR code. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to download the Google Chrome app if you haven't already. So if you haven't, go ahead and download that first. But once you have downloaded Google Chrome, what we can do now is head over to the app. Once we do that, as you can see, I'm on YouTube right here. If we go over to my profile, and then I will go over to my channel and I will just choose one of my random videos right here. So for example, if I just go ahead and click on this one, what I can do is I can go to the three dots in the top right hand corner of my Google Chrome app right here. What I can do then is I can click on share. Once I click on share, you need to scroll along at the bottom and then you will now see an option for QR code. Click on that. And then once we do that, as you can see, this will then create a QR code for this specific web page and for this specific YouTube video, and you can do it for pretty much anything you like. So once you have your QR code, you can then have the option to download it, you can screenshot it, you can do whatever you like. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.